Let us finalize our concept regarding procedural programming. Any data type in a programming language has fixed set of operations. Like integer data type has addition, subtraction, division, multiplication. But concatenation is not an operation on integer data type. Just like user defined data types has also certain set of operations. Point data type which we used is user defined data type. This point data type has also three operations: set data, get data and add. Maybe you didn't have noticed. Let us go in last program which we have created using a structure. Suppose main do not want to create a data type point. So main hired someone and say him to create a data type point for him. That person created a data type point for him. But that person did not define what operation can be done on the point. Okay, and main is just a user of the data type point. So now if creator of that user defined data type did not define what the operation can be done on the data type point, then the user which have to use that data type have to define what operation can be done on the data type. So now main started to define what the operation can be done on the data type. So main has defined three operations on that data type. This first main created three variables of type point, then he is taking input to all these three variables. This is set data operation because main is setting data here. Okay. Now there is one other operation in which main can add variables, two variables of data type point and store it in third variable of data type point. Here you can see this operation is also defined by main. Now to do output, this is main's responsibility how to give output, how to show your value of a variable on the screen. This is again main's responsibility. This shaded area is get data area. This shaded area is set data area. This shaded area is add data area, and this shaded area is for operation get data. And all these operations are responsibility of main. Creator did not have taken any responsibility. So in procedural programming, creator of the data type do not take responsibility of what will be the operations on that data type. This is responsibility of user of that data type to what will be the operations. Okay, that's what here has been written. In previous two programs, these three operations was main's responsibility. And last point is, if procedure to do such operation depends on an entity who did not created that data type, main has not created the data type point, but how these three operations can be done was only headache of main. Okay, then if the procedure to do such operation depends on an entity who did not created that data type but only using it, then this programming style is called procedural programming style. Okay, if simple way, if you defined a data type and did not define what the operation will be in data type, then user of the data type has a headache, has a responsibility to define new operations on your defined data type. This is procedural programming. You can say we can define here a function like void get data. This type of function we can define here. This type of function we can define here. But this function get data is not part of data type point. Someone else is again defining the get data function. Get data should be part of point data type. Get data should be part of point data type. If it is not the part of point data type, then this programming style is procedural programming style. Means who is creating the data type, if he is responsible for what the operation will be on that data type, then this will be object based programming. Otherwise, if creator of data type is not taking responsibility of what the operation is going to be done on his created data type, then this programming style is procedural programming style. Okay, let us see just first example we have created. At least in test1.cpp, where we use a structure, we have a data type format, but in this program we do not have any data type format. How data type will look is also mains responsibility, and all the operations are, you can easily see, is mains responsibility. Okay, so this program and the program we use a structure, both program you seen in this video is procedural approach. Okay, if creator of the data type do not define operation on that data type, then this approach is called procedural approach, because user has responsibility to go through the procedure how to do such operations on given data type. Okay, hope you understand about procedural programming. That's all for this video. Bye.